In Canada, the Bankruptcy and Insolvency Act defines the legal options for a person or company to be relieved of their debts. I'm Doug Hoyes, a licensed insolvency trustee with Hoyes Michaelis. As an LIT, I deal with individuals struggling with debt. So today, I'm going to explain the bankruptcy options available for people in need of debt help. Those options can be split into three types of proceedings. Personal bankruptcy for individuals or small businesses, a consumer proposal for individuals whose debts, not including the mortgage on their home, are $250,000 or less, and a Division I proposal for individuals or corporations with very large debts. All of these debt options must be filed with a licensed insolvency trustee. Personal bankruptcy is a legal process where a debtor gives up his or her assets and performs certain duties in exchange for a discharge from their debts. Those duties involve surrendering any non-exempt assets, making your required monthly payments, and attending to credit counseling sessions. Most personal bankruptcies in Canada last 9 months for a first-time bankrupt with no required surplus income payments. Well, most bankruptcies last only 9 months. If your income is high, your bankruptcy will last longer and cost more. In this case, you can choose an alternative approach under the Bankruptcy and Insolvency Act called a consumer proposal. While still filed with a licensed insolvency trustee, a consumer proposal is a deal you make with your creditors to repay a portion of what you owe. A consumer proposal is a legal debt settlement program sanctioned by the federal government. A consumer proposal provides the same creditor protection as filing bankruptcy does, yet you are not filing bankruptcy. You're entering into a proposal arrangement. Consumer proposals can only be filed by individuals, not corporations. To be eligible, your debts, not including the mortgage on your principal residence, must be less than $250,000. Your duties in a consumer proposal are similar to a bankruptcy. You make your agreed upon payments and you attend to credit counseling sessions. However, with a consumer proposal, you retain ownership and control of your assets. This brings us to the least common bankruptcy proceedings for Canadians, a Division I proposal. This is much like a consumer proposal. You make an offer to your creditors, but it's designed for high debt insolvencies. Most often it would be because of high tax debts or lawsuits. We've talked a lot about how personal bankruptcies and consumer proposals are for individuals, not companies. It's important to know that someone operating as a small business owner, a contractor, or self-employed person is not automatically a corporation, which means if they need to be discharged from debt, they would file personal bankruptcy or a consumer proposal. So, which type of bankruptcy should you file? Ask a licensed insolvency trustee. A licensed insolvency trustee will review your assets, your income, and your debts with you at your initial consultation. They'll explain what type of bankruptcy or proposal makes sense for you in your circumstances. For more information on any of these types of bankruptcy, go to hoyes.com and search bankruptcy options.